The question says, if on heating a liquid through 80 degrees Celsius, the mass expelled is 1/100th of the mass still remaining, then find the coefficient of apparent expansion of the liquid. See here, if we solve this question, let us suppose that this is a container and this container is filled with a certain liquid. Then if we are heating it, then what will happen, that the liquid expands as well as the container also expands. So let us assume that we are looking into the liquid in reference to the container. That means let us first of all ignore the expansion of the container. So if we ignore the expansion of the container, if we ignore the expansion of container, then the study of expansion of liquid, then the study of expansion of liquid will give us the concept of coefficient of apparent expansion of the liquid. That is, apparent means always with respect to the container. Now coefficient of apparent expansion, basically coefficient of expansion is what? It is final V2 minus V1, that is final volume minus initial volume, the expansion in the volume divided by the original volume, and delta theta. Delta theta is the change in temperature. I am denoting delta theta as the change in temperature, basically the increase in temperature. Now finally gamma A will be equal to V2 minus V1, whatever the change in volume of the liquid. Why the liquid is expelled? Because the liquid expands, is it not? So therefore, if I consider that this volume is directly corresponding to the mass, so basically V2 minus V1 corresponds to the liquid that is expelled out. So this is mass of the liquid that is expelled out divided by V1. V1 is the original volume of the liquid. Now as we have just observed that we have ignored the expansion of the container. In reality it doesn't happen, because if you ignore the expansion of the container, then only we can study that whatever the liquid expands, it is with reference to the container. That means V1 is the original volume or the volume whatever is there within the container. That means the mass of the remaining liquid, the mass of the remaining liquid, and then the change in temperature delta theta. Now let us see, the mass of the liquid that is expelled out is 1/100th of the mass still remaining. That means mass of the liquid that is expelled out divided by the mass of the remaining liquid. This ratio is 1/100, and 1 by the change in temperature is 80, and therefore it becomes 1 by 8000. It will give us how much? 0.125 into 10 to the power minus 3. So we can write it as 1.25 into 10 to the power minus 4 per degree Celsius. So this is the final value of coefficient of apparent expansion of the liquid, 1.25, 10 to the power minus 4. Thank you.